Hello and welcome, my name is David Isamoje. If you're just joining for the first time, my channel is all about print on demand, creating passive income through print on demand. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you like the video. Yes, you guys requested I do a Christmas t-shirt design trend, so I'm going to be making a series of Christmas designs so that you can quickly put the designs up on your store, similar designs, not copying the design. So you note that for yourself, or just put these designs up, similar designs on your store, and making a lot of these designs this period is guaranteed sales. So you're going to make a lot from passive income if you can put in the time to create as much Christmas design as possible. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to go straight right to it. I'm going to open canva.com. Yes, canva.com is the site I use to create this design. I'm going to show you how to get Canva. If you stay with me on this video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Okay, so Pixel will just click create a design. It's going to open on a new tab, and we're going to go straight right on to this one. It's a very simple design. It's not supposed to take us a lot of time. I never want my designs to be complicated. Like if you watch my other videos, you would have realized my designs are never complicated. For this one, I'm going to start with Christmas. Let me just type in Christmas here. Okay, so I'll just type in Christmas. Okay, that's the starting point. Alright, so okay, I don't want not text, not Christmas text, obviously. But you can also do text. There are texts you can choose from, so you can see how easy it is to choose this text and all. So I can just decide to choose this one. Okay, if I choose this, it's going to appear here as you can see. So I'll make that bigger by moving my cursor to this edge and just dragging my cursor out. Alright, yes, so you can see how easy it is to create this one, as simple as ABC. So now you can see there's a different font here. I can just highlight this one and just do tribe. Alright, I can just do tribe. Sorry, I can just do tribe like this. Okay, I can do tribe like this, or I ungroup these two layers and separate them from each other, and I can highlight this one and just change the font to something else, like for instance, sorry, that was a mistake, so I'll delete that. I can just click on this and come over here and just change the font to something else. There are a lot of fonts you can choose from, a lot of fonts. You can just choose from different ones. You can decide to choose from any one, or you just make it the same one with that one. If it's up to you, you can do that if you want to, or just use this particular one. Okay, so now that we have it says Christmas tribe. Alright, then you can go over to elements and just search for Christmas again. Okay, Ctrl V. Okay, now let me do that. Go to Christmas. Alright, so now we just search for that in elements, and we can find something cool you can use. You can use something cool. I'll prefer a cap in this one, so I can just scroll and just pick this design. Alright, so I can just make this something like this, or move it in the middle, or take it to the top. I prefer if it's in the top. So now I can just move my Christmas down, but before then let me move the tribe down also. So I can just move this Christmas down like that. So now it can just be that way. You move this one like so. So now you can decide to change the color of this font, or just color of this tribe, any which way you want to. Just know you can do it as please. as you please. You can just change whatever. You can decide to duplicate this one by clicking on it and pressing your Alt key button and your left mouse key button. Just duplicate this, make it bigger a bit, okay, and change the color to the darker brown. So now you just move that up, okay, like that. You can decide to make it bigger. Alright, you just move it up and it forms that kind of effect for you. So you see the kind of effect it's forming. Alright, you can form that perfect effect for you. You don't have to do something extravagant to get that done. So it says Christmas tribe. Okay, but for me that effect is too elaborate, so I want something smaller. Okay, like so. You can decide to just do that. Cancel. So you can decide to make it like that. So you can see how easy it is to create this design. It didn't take us a lot of time. Yes, this is where I'll tell you how to get Canva Pro. If you want to get Canva Pro for yourself, make sure you check the first link in the description, because you need Canva Pro to get rid of this background. As you can see, most of this background you see here, you can't get rid of it on the free version. You need Canva Pro to get rid of it. And also some elements are premium elements, and the best elements are the premium ones, obviously the ones with the pro. So you need the paid version of Canva if you want to get rid of this. So I advise you to get Canva Pro for yourself. Check the first link in the description to get that. So we're just going to hit on download again. It's going to prepare our download and it's going to download that for us. And what we're left to do is to place it on our design. That's if you've gotten the white background off it already. You can now go over and place it on your design and upload it to sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, and so much more. Make different designs in this format. Your design does not need to be complicated. It should never be complicated. Matter of fact, your design should never be complicated. Easy designs are the ones that sell the most. Straightforward designs. So we see how easy this design was for us. It didn't take us a lot of time and we were able to get something done for ourselves. So without wasting much of your time, I want to say thank you for watching. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you go to that playlist and I will see you on the next one. Please remember to stay blessed. One love.